Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Marvel channel. In this video we will go through how to fix this DNS probe finished NX domain. It's quite easy to fix this. Let's go through this. Okay, so first of all, think that you have to go through this location, that is a Windows system 32 driver, etc. Okay, so just before you going through this, you just have to press notepad. Okay, so just go to the run as administration. Okay, then copy this the link, open, okay, it's already have opened here. Then select the file. Here is a host. Okay, this is the where the website, the blocked website from the group will be saved here, so we have to check it in this website. Okay, so this is very important that you should open the notepad from the run as an administration. Okay, so I'll open this. As you can see, there is a lot of website has been blocked. In my case, one of the YouTube website was blocked, so automatically it went like this. Okay, so I just removed this from here. Okay, so I just backspace, and then after I hit save for this. Okay, so this is done here. This is the first step we have to do it. Okay, then file, save, then close. Okay, so first step is finished. The second step is that you have to just you have to deactivate your antivirus which has been in your computer. So that is also one of the major problem plays here. Then after, you have to go to this the places where you have to set up the command. Just go to this CMD. Okay, so in CMD you have to go, just write ipconfig release. Most of the time this is occurs because of the website which has been used, and most of the time the DNS server codes will change here. That's the reason this kind of a problem occurs. You have to flush the DNS. Okay, then ipconfig renew. So this is ipconfig renew. Then hit the enter. Then then is NETSH IP set DNS, then NetSH winsock reset. Okay, so you have to close this and you have to do the restart. So in this one, before you open the command file to enter this all the commands separately, these are the separate files over here, and please don't include this comma, just remove the comma. Before you enter to this command files, you have to go to the CMD. Okay, then you have to go to run as administrator. Okay, if you don't press this command won't work, so that you have to do it. This is the second step. First step is this, and the second step is your antivirus, that also it is the important, and the third step is this. Okay, to entering this all the commands. And the final step, you can go to the Chrome setting here and go to the security, and there is a security here, and then change to this with Google public DNS. Okay, that's it for now here, and this is the fourth step which you can do it, and do this all the stuff, then it will be returned back. And one more, the last step which you can do it. So here, open setting, you just have to go to the open setting, change adapter setting, then go to here and the properties, and from the properties you can select this internet protocol properties, and I changed this obtain DNS server address automatically to the use the following DNS servers addresses. We just put this 888 and 8844. okay, then hit the validate setting upon exit, then hit the OK button. Okay, okay, so this is actually done. So I just done it for my website. Okay, so previously in my website it was showing an error for my uh, um, for my dashboard of this YouTube channel, so YouTube Studio. Now you can see this is now opening. Okay, so this is quite very easy and simple that you can do it. Okay, so the first thing is this, enter, go to this and edit it, and this. Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to others. Okay, and finally important that you have to restart this computer. Once you do this all the setting, then you have to do the restart, and then after you come back to that website whichever it is not opening. So if I take this websites here, so these are the website which has been blocked by the Chrome, so I just remove this website from here, and then after I done that all the process which I shown in this video, and after that you have to do the restart. And once the restart is done, then open your Chrome back and then set the website and check the website, so that will be open for you. Okay, thanks for watching, stay tuned, we'll see you in the other video. Bye bye.